Today I will demonstrate how I created a quick, easy, simple home-cooked meal. I am demonstrating how I am sauteing the vegetables that I cut up. I season my butter steak. I will apply the steak over the sauteing vegetables that's listed in the description below. You will season your meat, then apply it over your vegetables. Cooking at home is so easy, simple, and cost effective. After I place the seasoned steak over the vegetables, I will apply my unsalted sweet cream butter. Then I will place the lid over the pot and I will let it simmer. I will be cooking vegetables with these ingredients that will be listed in the description below. I boil my water. I season my water with the seasoning and add the butter. Give it a boil, and then I apply my vegetables. I let that simmer. I cover with a lid. Wow. That's about 20 minutes later into the cooking time. Look at those vegetables. Look at those fresh carrots. Look how tender that butter steak is. I will be preparing jasmine rice with my butter steak and vegetables. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's easy to cook at home. Don't overcomplicate things. Do it for yourself, for your pocket, for your family, and enjoy some time together. If you find this video useful and helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.